fall in love, I'd go all the way. Even when I'm sleeping, I dream of you. In my pensive mood, as I'm writing songs, all my heart keeps singing heartstrings for two. I've no other dream other than we have. There's no doubt I am like picking lovely flowers in my day-to-day, living out my life. There's not one more minute I forget you. You're so close to me, always in my heart, following a road sign, Cupid's design. Stories of my life right before your eyes. Every note that I play written for our memories. Coffee for the night, ice cream in the day, conversation items for me and you. Everything I know has me humming tune. Anything amazing, I fall in love. I'm not hard to please, easy to appease. I am here just for you. You can always trust me. Writing melodies all about our love. What a joyous feeling God gives to us. As the night unfolds and my eyes are closed, now I say my thank you, God, what a day.